Hello, 7th grade students. So today's video will be just the information to let you know how to access to the practice computer exam. The exam that will be very similar or pretty much almost the same thing on the MCA actual test day. So first thing, I want you to log into Brooklyn Middle School webpage, and then I want you to choose Students tab. When you choose Students, next step will be to open Login Access. So that will be the next thing. Now you just need to click once here, and that will allow you to open next tab. And the next one that we're looking for will be MCA Sampler. Okay, so it will be the second one from the top, MCA Sampler. Okay, so click on this one, and you will see Minnesota Statewide Assessments Item Samplers. This comes from Pearson, the company that will help you to access and do some practice with the tests samplers provided from them. You can see that definitely you can check reading, math, and science as well. Today I'm just going to show you some of the important tools for math. So here's math part. We will open the samplers here. So when you click on the green tab, you will be able to open. Then you gotta choose your grade. So in this case, we're talking about 7th grade. And their online item samplers. The one you want to open and do some practice will be this one, the first one over here. So this is your own sampler. So go ahead and click on that and wait until it gets ready for you. So on the test day, you will be given your own ID and password information. That will be on the actual test day. Everybody will receive the login information. For now, I just want you to continue as a guest. So just leave it like that and click Start Test Now. So they're giving you 10 questions. The idea of this is not so much answer the questions correctly, but actually being able to use the tools and practice with those tools. So start selection and let's see what it looks like. So one thing, we have exhibits. This is on the right here. There is kind of folder. When you click on this one, you will be able to access the formula sheet, the one that you already have. And definitely this worksheet doesn't look like the one that we have already because we add some stuff. We did wrote more information on it, and for sure we're gonna try to memorize and remember some of the stuff that we wrote, because on the test day you will be able to write down the information on a piece of paper and use it to solve the problems. So, but this is how you can access this formula sheet from the online test. Another tools, so let's say you're working with a few examples and you are on question number 4. So right now you're doing question number 4, but you're not sure how to solve this problem. If you don't know how to solve a problem, I would say bookmark this example and move to the next one. And later you can come back to this and continue your work. So right here on the top where it says bookmark, you can bookmark this question. When you click on the review, you will see that question 4 is bookmarked, which means it's not, you probably answered, but you weren't sure what the answer is, or maybe you just didn't answer at all. And this is a good time to say that you have to answer all the questions, even if you're not sure, because the chance to get wrong answer will be, less than 100%, just like the chance to get one question correct. But if you choose to not answer the questions, then for sure you have 100% incorrect response. So always, no matter what, just try your best, do your best, think carefully, and make your best choice. So the bookmark will be one helpful tool for that, if you want to go back and check the questions. Another helpful tool, especially in math, will be the calculator one. So here's the calculator. This is what the calculator will look like. And you're going to use this one in order to do some problems. So I'm trying to get the calculator, to pull out the calculator. For sure it's gonna work a little bit better when you're doing just that. Right now, what I want to show you is that this will be the calculator that you're going to use for the test day. I'm wondering if I turn around my paper in axis. Yep. So I just turn around the iPad in different direction because I wanted you to be able to see, this whole thing with the problems and what the calculator looks like at all. So the calculator it has different functions. Make sure you look around through all of those, check the exponent, for example 7 to the power of 2. When you click over here, you get this, enter will be the answer. Also, if we have square root of 49, enter, that will give you 7. We do have some parentheses. We have, if you have 7 divided by 8 equals 0.875 and you want to convert this fraction to decimal, second fraction to decimal equal will give you what the fraction is going to look like for this example. So this is the most grateful tools that you can use now and practice with. Okay, so you can play with your iPad and absolutely, being able to manipulate this and work with this. You're gonna have this chance. Now I'm just showing you. Another very cool tool is, for example, when you have word problems to read, you can click on play. And
on Mondays, Jada runs between 2 and 5 miles. On Tuesdays, she runs 3 times as far as she runs on the previous Monday. Which inequality can be used to find X, the distance Jada could run on a Tuesday?
So I think that's a great option. Each one of you will have headphones and you can always play, highlight the sentences. You can change the volume of the voice or choose if you wanna replay over and over again. So all of those tools will be there for you. So your job will be to use them, practice today, make sure you know how to use it. And if you have any additional questions, I will help you. Will do my best, and if I'm not sure, then we will find out what it's about. So today, this is what we're going to do. We're going to practice how to use those tools with all those 10 questions, and then we will continue our review and get ready for the MCA. Alright, thank you for watching the video. Have a great day, everybody.